Okay, I'm going to teach you all something. So, something that's been going on lately across the country, because I've seen other people comment about it, there's been a couple of news articles about it, is people having fruit flies really bad. Even people who have never had fruit flies before are getting them really bad, and apparently their numbers are like 4 times the amount this year than they've ever been. So a really inexpensive way to help get rid of them: get a container, any vinegar, Dawn dish soap, and sugar. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Okay, so you're going to do equal parts vinegar, Dawn dish soap, 1 to 2 spoonfuls of, okay, part 2 of this. So you're going to want to mix everything together really well, and I just spilled a bunch. You're going to mix it together really, really well. It doesn't matter if the sugar dissolves or not. The whole point is that they're going to smell the sugar and the vinegar and be like, ooh, what is this? So you mix it together really well, and then we're going to make a piece of cling wrap. Cling wrap's a bit of a nightmare sometimes, but you're just going to like cover it. And you want your cling wrap to be big enough that you can put it underneath to close it off. Okay. And then you're going to get something to poke holes in it. And you want the holes to be big enough that they can get in, but not too big because you don't want them to get back out. And this will also help them. Okay, so then once you've poked your holes in it, you're going to leave it like this. It's best if you have like a rubber band to really tighten it, and the rubber band you're going to put it up underneath to really tighten it down. But as long as it's not, you don't have it really short in the plastic wrap, as long as you can get underneath to tuck it, it's good. But you just leave it out like this and let them take it. You can see my one over here. You see those dark spots? That is fruit flies. It's going to take a few days for them to get used to it, but put a couple of these out and hopefully it helps you. I did this in 60 seconds so that people can stitch and duet it. But yeah, that's a really inexpensive way to try and get rid of fruit flies. Otherwise, go to Amazon and get the fans and whatnot.